Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna again do review and swatches of Born Pretty gel polish. So the first shade is 52337. It's number BP10 and it's a 10 ml bottle, that's why it's in black color, and it's basically glitter gel polish. So this one is actually golden one, so you get different kind of glitter. So you get the smaller one and the bigger one. This one actually is supposed to be used as a topper, so I would suggest you to at least apply the base coat, especially the black color, and then use it as topper, because if you use it as it is, it's not going to give you full coverage anyway. So it will be better if you use it with base. So this is how does it look, and as it is a gel polish, so you need to obviously a UV LED lamp to cure it. So next one is 53500, and this one is actually a 7 ml bottle, that's why it's in golden and white color, and it's a thermal gel polish, which means it's gonna change the coloring based of the temperature. So if it's cold, it's gonna have a certain color, and if it's hot, it's gonna have another kind of color. So it's basically the purple shade, which gonna change its color to another shade, I hope so. I'm gonna show you later what color it's gonna get in if you use it under the hot water. So this is basically the normal, like the color at the normal temperature, like a room temperature. So actually getting a purpley shade. This one is actually giving you a full coverage in just one coat. It's kind of purple lavender color. So next shade is 53400, and it's again thermal gel polish. So this one is actually a beautiful chocolate color, that's how I call it. It's exactly a chocolate color, dark chocolate color, exactly. So this is how does this one looks like, and again this one is a thermal gel polish, which means it's gonna change the color based of the temperature. This is the normal color, you can say, the one as the room temperature, and when you're gonna dip your nail under in a hot water, or you're gonna get it near to something that's really hot, then it's gonna change the color. I will show you later how does it look if you put in a hot water. So this is how does this one look like. For this one, if you can just go for 2 coats. Next shade is this one, 53226. This is actually a beautiful red shade. I think I really thought that I already have it, but I didn't, and it's actually a beautiful red color. I do combine or refer this one as a Chinese wedding color, because I've seen some dramas and they do have this kind of color in the weddings, like the traditional wedding, and I think this one is perfectly matches with their dresses, like the red bright color. So if you know how does the dress look like, you actually know how this shade gonna look like in real life. Then there is this one, which is number 53226, and again it's 10 ml bottle and shade number BP78. It's a beautiful greenish color. This one is actually perfect for creating Christmas nail art. This one combined with the red one and with the glitter one, they're gonna create actually a perfect Christmas nail art. And if you want to check out the nail art that I've created using these shades, or the previous shade that Bonbray sent me, you can check my Instagram, which is nailart_box. And this is how does the thermal one look like. This one basically was the chocolatey shade that I was saying, and it changes to light pink color when you dip in hot water. You can see it's basically totally different from the original one. The next one is this one, is the pink, the purple one, that basically changes to like lighter purple shade. So there isn't a huge difference between that one, but the chocolate one really changes a lot. This is how does BP84, or the red one, looks like with the matte and glossy finish. This one has does the Christmas one look like, that's what I call it. And then this is how does the glitter one looks like. Basically the glitter one, you must use it as a top or use it with the sponge. So these are the shades that I got, and I hope you like this video. I will see you very soon. Bye.